SureBoard Series 200S is a labor-saving and efficient floor and flat roof diaphragm shear sheathing panel. Made up of a strong 20-gauge sheet of steel laminated to a magnesium oxide panel. Panels are installed with the steel facing the framing using number 8 by 1 5/8 inch winged fiber cement grabber screws spaced according to the specified screw schedule. SureBoard has a 2-inch tab that extends from one edge of the sheathing, which eliminates the need for blocking at the joints while still providing diaphragm capacities. Panels are cut using a circular saw with our carbide tooth blade. SureBoard has excellent resistance to earthquake stresses while providing 1, 2, and 3-hour fire performance. For more information, visit us online at SureBoard.com.